Hi, I'm Micah Mullen. Welcome to another free art lesson. Today we're going to position picture wire on the back of a stretched canvas to hang on a wall later. And the way I like to do it is I use strap ring hangers. A lot of people, the more traditional method is screw eyes, but I like these. They give me a little bit more versatility. And in order to position these strap ring hangers, what I like to do is measure 1/3 of the way down from the top of the canvas. Now this is a 20 by 20 inch canvas, so 1/3 of that would be 6 2/3. So basically just mark off 6 2/3 on each side. Okay. Now the strap ring hangers, position them so the top is actually hitting that line, and I like to position them at an angle. The reason being is if they're positioned like this, what's going to happen is it's creating tension because it's on one plane of the wood, and you may risk splitting the wood, or it overlaps onto the canvas, which sometimes can be difficult. So I like to position it at an angle. And from here you just basically screw them on. They're Phillips head screws. Okay. Can position it back up with one screw in. Get the second one in there. Whoops. Okay. Split a little bit of that, but that's okay. Get the second one in. It's probably best to use a manual screwdriver like this as opposed to a drill. A drill can sometimes be a little bit too powerful and split the wood, which is not good. Okay. Get that second one in. Okay, so we have our strap ring hangers positioned. The next thing we want to do is wire up the picture, and you generally have a spool of picture wire like this. This is a coated picture wire, which is nice because you don't risk cutting yourself or anything like that. And the way I like to do it is string one end without cutting any piece off the spool just yet. String a piece through the end of the first one, and basically take about 6 inches or so of slack, and then bring it around, make a loop, and from there wind the excess right around. Because that loop was made earlier, it's not gonna It's not really not going to waver too much. And then on the second side, we can kind of guess at how much we need to cut based on what was cut earlier. So about up to there. And we want to make sure we give it enough give so it hangs on the wall properly, because that's important. And we'll cut it. Okay. And do the same thing, make the loop around. Again, allowing that give. That's generally enough give. You definitely don't want to have it go too far, or at least go past the top of the picture. And line this up. Oops. Okay. Yeah, the nice thing about the Duracoat gold picture wire is with steel picture wire, you're going to have a lot of sharp and jagged edges. This you don't have to worry about cutting yourself or anything like that. So there we go. This is a painting a friend of mine did, and it's ready to be hung on a wall. Thanks a lot. I'm Micah Mullen. Thanks for stopping by.